Today, we're diving into the world of potting soil and potting mix. Now, you might have heard these terms being used interchangeably, but did you know that they can actually have different compositions? It all depends on the brand and specific product you're using. So let's dig in and explore the fascinating world of potting soil and potting mix. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon before we begin this video. First, let me explain what potting soil is. Potting soil typically contains a mix of organic matter, such as compost or peat moss, sand, and often some soil from the ground. It may also contain fertilizers and other additives. Potting soil tends to retain moisture well, which can be beneficial for certain seeds that require consistent moisture during germination. Some potting soils come with added nutrients, which can be advantageous for seedlings as they start growing. Now let's talk about potting mix. Potting mix is generally lighter and less dense than potting soil. It usually consists of a blend of ingredients like peat moss, perlite, vermiculite, and sometimes a bit of compost. These components are chosen for their ability to provide good aeration and drainage. Potting mix provides excellent aeration and drainage, which can help prevent overwatering and damping off, a fungal disease that affects seedlings. Potting mixes may be low in nutrients, so you might need to provide additional fertilization as your seedlings grow. So, which is better for seed starting? For seed starting, potting mix is often the preferred choice because it offers better aeration and drainage, reducing the risk of overwatering and fungal issues. It's a lighter and less compact medium for young seedlings' delicate roots to penetrate. However, some gardeners do add a small amount of potting soil to their potting mix to provide a slight nutrient boost. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And don't forget to share your gardening experiences and questions in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!